Hey, what's up everyone, it's Eikos here from Flow, and hey, you keep from Wuthering Waves. Today we are checking out the brand new TRIBIT StormBox Mini Plus, compact Bluetooth speaker that's designed to deliver surprisingly big sound in a very portable package. Now if you've been following the channel for a while, you know I've been reviewed quite a few TRIBIT products before, and they've generally impressed me with the balance between performance, features and price. The StormBox Mini Plus promises 360-degree sound, Bluetooth 5.4 connectivity, and up to 12 hours of battery life, app-based customization, TWS Pairing, and IPX7 Waterproofing. So let's see if this little speaker can worth your money. And yes, this is the green version. I didn't want now again black and silver, it's always just the same colors. I wanted to try something different. And honestly guys, that green is absolutely badass. After the intro, let's start the video. Let's go! So starting with the unboxing experience, the things are pretty straightforward. Inside the box, you will find the StormBox Mini Plus itself, obviously, a USB-C charging cable, and the usual documentation to get you started. Whoever I read this, I don't know, but it should be, so no, nothing fancy here, but everything is nicely packaged and protected. As soon as I picked up the speaker, the first thing I noticed was just how compact it is. Pictures online don't really show the scale properly, but this is genuinely the kind of speaker you can throw into a backpack, gym bag, or even keep permanently on your desk without it getting in the way. Moving on to the design, I think TRIBIT is absolutely do a very good job here. The speaker has a modern cylindrical shape with a fabric-covered exterior and a sturdy rubberized base. It feels solid in the hand and definitely doesn't feel like a cheap budget speaker. Here around the top you find a subtle LED light ring that adds a nice visual touch while music is playing. The control buttons are easy to reach and responsive, making it simpler to adjust volume, control playback or pair new devices. Overall, the build quality feels very good for a speaker in this size category. And now let's speak about what really matters, it's the sound quality. And I know, TRIBIT, you made it again, 100%. After pairing the speaker with my phone, I spent some time listening to different genres of music, podcasts and YouTube videos. And honestly, for something this compact, I was impressed. Vocals sound clear, instruments are well separated, and there's surprising amount of volume available when you needed it. What I particularly like is the 360-degree sound design. Unlike traditional speakers that sound best when you're sitting directly in front of them, the StormBox Mini Plus spreads audio evenly around the room. Whether it's sitting in the middle of the desk, on a kitchen counter or outside in the garden, everyone around it gets a similar listening experience. It's a small detail, but it makes the speaker far more versatile in everyday use. Another feature I always like seeing is the app support. Through the Tribit app you can customize the sound profile and adjust the EQ settings to match your personal preferences. Maybe you want more bass, maybe you prefer clearer vocals, or maybe you just want a balanced sound signature. The apps give you that flexibility instead of forcing everyone to use the same tuning. It's a feature that's becoming increasingly important, and I'm glad Tribit included in here. Now let's speak about the TWS Pairing. If one speaker isn't enough, the StormBox Mini Plus also supports TWS Pairing. That means you can connect two identical speakers together and create a true stereo setup with separate left and right audio channels. I only had a single unit available for testing, but for those who want a wider soundstage or a more immersive listening experience, it's definitely a nice feature to have. Especially good for outdoor gatherings, gaming rooms or movie nights. Connectivity is handled through Bluetooth 5.4. Pairing was quick and simple, and through my testing I didn't experience any connection issues. The connection remained stable while moving around the room, and reconnection was fast whenever I powered the speaker back on. It's exactly what you'd expect from a modern Bluetooth speaker. Connected once and it just works. And now let's speak about the battery life, which is another strong point. Tribit rates the StormBox Mini Plus for up to 12 hours of playback on a single charge. Of course, the actual results will depend on your volume level and how you're using the speaker, but it's easily enough for a full workday, a day outdoors, or a long trip away from home. I never ever found myself worrying about charging it constantly, which is exactly what you want from a portable speaker. And when you do need to recharge, USB-C will keep things convenient. One of the headline features for this speaker is the waterproof rating. And this is where the speaker becomes particularly useful for outdoor use. Whether you're listening by the pool, sitting in the garden, taking it camping, or simply get caught in the rain, the speaker is built to handle it. For my testing, I poured water directly over the speaker while music was playing, and it continued working without any problems, as you can see and hear in the next few shots. It's always reassuring having that extra level of protection when you're taking your tech outdoors. So after spending some time using the StormBox Mini Plus, I think its biggest strength is how easy it's to live with. It's lightweight, compact and simple to use. You can move it from your desk to the kitchen, from the living room to the garden, and it never feels out of place. Combined with the solid sound quality, customizable EQ, waterproof design and long battery life, it feels like a very complete package for everyday use. So you should buy the TRIBIT StormBox Mini Plus. If you're looking for a portable Bluetooth speaker that focuses on convenience, versatility and surprisingly good sound quality for its size, then I think this is a very easy recommendation. It's not trying to replace a massive party speaker. Instead, it's designed to be the speaker you can genuinely take anywhere, and in that role, it performs really well. Add in Bluetooth 5.4, app customization, TWS Pairing, IPX7 Waterproofing and up to 12 hours of battery life, and you've got a very well-rounded portable speaker. And color-wise guys, this green, it's my new favorite color, 100%. And that's been my review of the TRIBIT StormBox Mini Plus. Let me down in the comments what you think about this little speaker and whether you choose it over some of the competition. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to ATechFlow for more tech reviews and comparison. And as always, thank you Tribit for sending me this product over and sponsoring today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you sun, it's shining in the UK, which is really rare actually. Guys, Tribit made it again. This was the fourth collaboration with Tribit. They just keep sending me good product. It's just everywhere in my house, every room there is a Tribit there is a Tribit speaker. My girlfriend using as well one. I using the big one. Everywhere is just speakers. So thank you Tribit. Thank you Tribit. Thank you Tribit. Probably this one will be the outdoor one because it's fit for the garden and stuff. It's green, you know, it's natural. So guys, Tribit made again, as I told you. Me too. I'm finished the video. I'm going to shower because I'm deadly sweat. So it was Akos from ATechFlow. It was Tribit from Tribit. It was a Sun from UK, which is impossible. And I'll catch you in the next video. Peace!